This video is presented by talanotes.blogspot.com, financeworld at live.com. Index. Creating a company. Voucher entry. Ledger books. Groups. Financial statements. Tally audit. Security. Weakness. Basic accounting principles. The revenue principle. The historical cost principle. The matching principle. The full disclosure principle. The verifiable objective principle. The dual aspect principle. Creating a company. Selecting company. To select an existing company from the list, F1. Create company is to create a new one, CTRL, plus C. Backup is meant to take a backup of the stored data into a backup device. Restore is to extract information from the backup device to the data directory. Quit is to exit from Tally, CTRL, plus Q. Voucher entry. Specify the name of the voucher and choose its type. Numbering could be automatic or manual or none. Tally will prompt for a narration entry at the bottom of voucher entry screen if opted for common narration. Tally's overdue/age-wise analysis will consider the effective date only and not the voucher date. The intention of using classes for payment receipt and contra voucher is to enable data input in single entry. One can specify the prefix and suffix details for the voucher types. Ledger name. Specify the name of the ledger here. Under, specify the group under which the ledger is to be created. Currency of ledger. Maintain foreign currency accounts only if you require its balance in that currency. Maintain bill-wise detail. If you opted to maintain balances on a bill-by-bill basis, a subscreen will ask you bill-wise detail. Effective date for reconciliation. To be given for accounts falling under bank accounts group. Groups. Capital nature. Liabilities. Capital account. Current liabilities. Loans. Assets. Fixed assets. Current assets. Investments. Miscellaneous expenses. Revenue nature. Sales account. Purchase account. Direct income. Indirect income. Direct expenses. Indirect expenses. Day books. Daybook gives the balance for each day for the voucher type selected. Posting of entries is automatically achieved through Tally. One can have a printed version by help of print button in menu bar. There are two types of print configuration option is available. Alt+B/print button in menu bar facilities printing one account at a time. Multi-accounting printing menu option provides multiple accounts to be printed at a time. Financial statements. Trial balance, a consolidation of ledger balances. Display trial balance by display trial balance option. Balance sheet. It represents assets and liability of the company. One can configure the settings by press F12. Profit and loss. If you click net profit, Tally will show the profit and loss statement. There are some function keys provided in the left side of screen. Closing and reopening, automatically done by Tally by keeping track of the data entered. The balances in the ledger accounts are taken in to create the opening balance for the new year. Group company. Accounts of different companies belonging to same management are required to be consolidated. Create. A group company can be created only for companies already have been loaded. We create group company by pressing Alt+F3. The members of the group company to be selected from pop-up list. Alter. One can select or deselect members through the alter mode. Any change will come to effect only on shutting the group company and reloading it. Tally Audit provides the capability to the auditor to track changes in the accounts following his previous review. Changes are tracked in transaction in Ledger Masters. Only material changes are considered: a change in name of the ledger, change in opening balance. User designated as auditor can view audit list and act upon it. Tally tracks all changes made to vouchers that are more than 30 days old. An additional time is given to rectify the error. Changes made after the authorized person accepts them are not available in the audit list. Importing data. Import of data from one company to another created within Tally is done easily. It's required for the purpose of the importing all masters and vouchers from an existing company to a new company. Tally supports importing data from other programs as Excel. Exporting data. Tally can export the raw data as well as any report. Raw data may be exported for input of another company. Summaries and report can be exported between Excel and Tally. A separate button is on the button bar. Other features of Tally: backup provisions, easy exit to operating systems, unencrypted files. Tally encrypts and stores Tally data at the data directory. Decryption is possible only through logging on to Tally. Inadequate controls on automatic entries. Inflexibility of documents formats. Inability to add/rename fields. Security review. Auditor has access to all information including audit trails. Owner has full access and right to all parts of Tally except audit trails. Data entry is restricted rights. There is, however, an option to create other security types based on predefined types. Weaknesses in accounting packages. Passwords controls caution has to be exercised while opting for Tally Vola Password. If a list of companies are worked at the same time, setting Vola passwords for even some of them can be cumbersome. Audit trails. Authorization signature. Log of data modification. Missing and duplicated serial number. No warning on duplicate entries. Non-provision for freezing entered data.